today, special treat. I'm done with the foot thing. I'm just going to bring it in by hand now.
Oh,
Okay.
No magic trick this time?
No magic trick.
Okay.
So, today we are drinking Monkey Shoulder, given to us by Jennifer Jordan. Correct. I'm very curious about this one. Jace tried it the other day for Jace's Faces, and he liked it. I guess is a strong term, but he didn't mind it. And I admit I smelled it, and I was intrigued this morning. So, we will pour this out in here.
Why are you pouring 3 glasses, Rocky?
Well, because we have a wonderful, lovely young man, Dan Mac McMichael.
That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mac! Let's hear it for him! Hey! So glad you could make it on the show.
Yeah, well,
hey, good to see you. Good to see
And
you.
we're twinsies today.
This is embarrassing. We're wearing the same outfit.
I think that's hysterical. I kind of love that, actually.
We don't have that many crossover, but
No. We have like Dropkick. We have there's a bunch you haven't made yet too. We probably have crossovers.
one's 90% there.
You're both wearing company shirts, too. I noticed that.
Yeah.
Yep.
At least some of us are. So what tartan are you wearing today, Mac?
Well, I think I am wearing the Stewart of Appin hunting weathered.
No.
What do we?
No. You are wearing the Stewart of Appin hunting reproduction.
Oh,
because
I'm
it is
sorry.
dog leash
Yes.
cloth.
Oh, man.
Ha!
But
Got him! Erik, what are you wearing today?
I am wearing the scruffiest of all Wallaces.
Indeed. It is lovely. It is
I love it.
lovely. Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
Look.
All right.
I'm out.
And
See ya.
away we go.
Away we go.
Exit stage right.
To exit stage right.
Okay. So, today we're going to drink Monkey Shoulder. Enough of this shenanigans. Today we're drinking Monkey
Oh,
Shoulder.
we're just getting started.
Oh, I know. Jennifer, thank you for this lovely gift.
Thank you, thank you.
Where are the tasting notes? Who's got them? You?
Oh, I think I have them here.
Okay.
All right. So what are we getting on the nose?
Okay. Earlier when I was smelling it, I was like, oh, okay. Matt, I think Matt said he smelled pear, and I'm like, okay, I can get a little bit of pear maybe. Now that I'm smelling it, it kind of smells like a stale bar smell, like the night afterwards.
Like aftershave or.
I don't know.
See, I'm looking at the notes,
Right.
so I'm kind of being led down that path.
Stale bar smell.
No, the zesty orange, vanilla, honey, and spiced oak.
Spiced oak. Much tastier than the regular non-spiced oak. I get the spice in tasting it, not as much in smelling it. I get the honey.
So they're saying smooth, malty, and fruity character, mellow vanilla, citrus zesty with spicy hints.
Okay.
Features a more mild flavor, so it is better for mixing into cocktails.
Okay. It is reasonably mild.
Yeah.
I'll agree with that.
I don't know how smooth I would call it. It's pretty burny to me.
Yeah, I don't think it's super smooth. Well, all right.
I think it's on the front end, it's a little bitier, and then just
I think it's very
tapers
bitey on the front.
way off.
Back end
Yeah.
is very.
It's like, it's gone.
Is that like that's like the Wilhelm scream of scotches.
So they're saying the finish is medium length, spiced oak, and a hint of vanilla on the tail.
Well, I get a little bit of the oak. I will agree with the oak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit of vanilla. Is it weird to say I like the aftertaste better than the taste?
No, and I think I agree with you.
So, yeah.
Yeah, a little peppery.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's because it doesn't say how many years it is or anything like that. It's blended, so it's going to be a mix. It's batch 27. I don't know if that means anything.
27 monkeys
Exactly.
coming this summer.
All squished into one bottle. I don't know. Mac, Give me something.
I'm debating. I don't know.
I don't know if I like it.
Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at.
Yeah.
It's almost reverse of how I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Like
I agree.
I expected it to be a little bit more bitier at the end, and it just comes in with swinging and then
Yeah.
leaves cuddling.
Sort of like the first time I ever met Mac. He came in swinging and we left cuddling.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. All right.
It does say that it is better for mixing with cocktails, so maybe that's where they're heading with this is to be more of a
You don't have to feel guilty about mixing this in a cocktail. It's not like it's like a Dalmore or something.
Not like you're
where you'd
wasting
be
good
like,
stuff.
Yeah, you're not wasting anything good.
No, it's
It's opening up a little bit for me now. I'm getting some of the pepperiness.
it doesn't have a huge flavor
I don't think
profile on
I
its
don't think
own.
I'm getting the honey. A
we,
little bit of vanilla.
This for
I
me
need
like
to
the
get the yolk.
sweet is the honey.
well, we do have one gentleman here, I don't know. We have Stag saying, Monkey Shoulder makes a great old fashioned.
Okay.
It is made for blending after us. So he's saying he's
Yeah.
agreeing with that. Like,
Yeah.
Well, I guess I'll
That's-
take the bobble home.
Yeah.
because
Well,
that's-
in fairness, everything we drink on the show, we are drinking essentially neat or with a touch of water. We're not blending it in for cocktails. So, yes, we did it. What did we do last month? Like salted caramel whiskey
Celtic,
or something? Yeah, it was.
no cocktail.
That was something. And we didn't make any cocktails of it. We discussed it with cocktails, but we drank it straight, for better or worse.
Did
It
you
may
just
be
put a vitamin water in it?
I heard it was good for mixing.
It's like watered down blood. So, okay.
It's pretty awful. But more drinkable. Old fashions are actually my spouse's favorite
Okay.
cocktail, so I'm happy to take this bottle off your hands.
I don't know.
We'll test the old fashioned theory.
Was it old fashions that you made in here, or was that a No, that was
Hot
a,
toddy.
I made hot ties.
yeah.
I've never made any cold beverages in this building.
Yes, indeed.
Not
Okay.
yet.
All right, Mac. Score it 1 to 10. Eric's score maybe slightly tainted at this point.
I'm going 4.3. I'm still not sure.
Okay.
Like I don't know.
Okay. Feeling it. All right, Erik.
Yeah, it's definitely made for mixing. I would give it 4.1 because I could find better stuff for mixing. I think I will take the whole old fashioned thing on board, but I wouldn't drink it on its own.
Yeah.
I wouldn't refuse it if somebody offered it to me at a party, as you say, but I wouldn't go out of my way for it either.
Yeah, I'm right in the same ballpark. 4-3. It's fine. It's not something I would go out and buy. I would definitely not drink it on its own. I would not, wax poetic on a long evening by the fire, sipping
like
on
some
my
vitamin
monkey
water?
shoulder. I'm all set. Mix it with my coffee maybe. But yeah, no.
Well, we do have Jason saying a Rusty Nail or a Rob Roy it's good with. So
Okay.
it seems like
Yeah.
it seems like a lot of the comments that are coming in and the people who like it and have used it enjoy it in a mixed setting
Yeah.
and trying to.
Because we've always made our old fashions with bourbon, so okay. We'll see.
I'm
The Rusty
disappointed.
Nail, that's a Robert
I
Lizard.
thought I was going to like it more. I thought when I smelled this morning, just pulling the top off and smelling it, I was just like, ooh, I'm going to like this. I smelled more fruity stuff. But yeah, I like notes, not like actual all fruity kind of. Yeah, I don't know. I'm
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's not what I want though. It's not what I want. I want it to be more. Be more Monkey Shoulder.
I like the monkeys.
Now, there's an interesting story about the name. The name Monkey Shoulder is from an injury that the distillers would get in what did Matt say?
When they were shoveling out the rye and other
The
grains
grist mill or something?
from the
Did you say grist mill? No.
No, it's from the.
No. Yeah. It's an injury.
I was gonna guess it was from it's either from the still or from the toasting floors, like the buildings where they spread it out.
Right.
To to toast it.
Right.
And to dry it. But it's some kind of repetitive stress injury.
Yeah.
From shoveling all the grains. So.
So.
Hey, he's
interesting.
got the monkey shoulder.
It's got a cool name. It's got a nice little 3 monkeys on the bottle there. Boop, boop.
Yeah.
See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, indeed. All right, very good. Enough of that.
Or very mediocre.
Yeah.
We should totally do cocktails on the show sometime. What do you say, Mac? USA Kilts Luau.
I'm up for it. I mean, I liked the hot toddies when we did those. Those were really good.
Yeah, that was very nice.
So I'm.
Did you take home that the one that what was it the honey? Last time, did you take home the bottle from last month?
The salted caramel. Yeah.
Yeah, the salted caramel.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
was it.
Mac loved it.
Yeah, I know.
That was
Yeah.
amazing.
So have you mixed anything with it?
Nope. Don't need to.
Don't need to. It's all good.
Tastes like gasoline. So what do you think of Monkey Shoulder? Did you like it as little as we did or more? Let us know in the comments. If you want to see other scotches and whiskeys that we've tried, go check out those playlists over there.